Welcome back to Beautiful Mind today. Thank you to all my viewers and all my subscribers. If you're new here, I'm Roland Attenborough. I'm the leading GAN researcher of scientific and analytical reporting. Let's just dive right in. Today we're going to be discussing the amazing words and forecasting of Mr. GAN. And I'm going to show you a booklet in which he produced in 1940 and laid out exactly what would happen from 1940 to 1950. This is the document I'm referring to. We're going to go ahead and have a look at what he says will happen in 1943. And we will see that there is a very eerie resemblance, or, if you wish, how it rhymes with 2023. Let's just go right ahead and let's have a look. All right, so Mr. Gann was stating in this booklet, and I want you to note it's on page 33. Mr. Gann was a 33-degree Freemason. Let's go now take a look at what he was in fact saying about 1943. 1943, April to October, is probably one of the worst periods which this country has ever passed through. There is grave danger of war or a revolution at this time, and there may be both. Very eerily rhyming with today, as we have massive riots in France, uprisings around the world where the governments are seeking control and making men and women and children subservient to very foolish and dangerous rules, mandates, and laws. Mr. Gann stated in all his writings that the past is but a repetition of the future. And he was a very, very avid student of the Bible. He stated that the past does in fact repeat. And this is exactly what the Bible states as well. So with that being said, we've just had a good look into what 1943 has in store for us for 2023, which is an 80-year cycle. Only one planet travels around the zodiac every 84 years, and that is the planet of disruption, and that is Uranus. Uranus represents technology, or Bitcoin. If you've ever heard the term 7 years feast and 7 years famine and did not know what that meant, that exactly alludes to Uranus traveling through one sign of the zodiac. It takes 7 years to move through each sign. So every 7 years, there's the 7-year itch, and we have a feast and a famine and great disruptions. Pay attention to that. Face facts, North America, we're looking ahead to 2030 when great disruption will definitely take place. My words are charged with the power of prosperity. Buy Bitcoin when it breaks out and breaks above 31 and sits on it, as my forecasts have been stated several days, weeks, and now a few months or several months now in the past. Thank you very much for paying attention to the words that Mr. Gann stated. As he said, I foresaw what would happen, and it has come true. This book that he penned was written in May 24th, 1940. How is a man able to predict or forecast the future? That is a very, very interesting subject. Mr. Gann believed in the Bible and the repetition of the past. Wake up, America. Wake up, North America. Thank you very much for joining me today. Peace and love.